This is the fifth video, writing formulas for ionic and polyatomic compounds. What we're going to do here is go through another example together, and then I'm going to give you a second example. I'll have you pause the video and try it on your own, and then I'll go through the answer with you and see how you did. First one we're going to do is called calcium nitride. Again, we need to use our steps here. Skill, S, symbols and charges written down. K, crisscross the charges to make subscripts. I, isolate the nonmetals in brackets if more than one type present. L, lowest terms for subscripts. Alright, so let's write calcium nitride. Calcium is a metal, so it's either middle or left on the periodic table. There it is right there in group 2, so we're going to write Ca. Nitride, again, how do we know if it's polyatomic or if it's just a regular ion? Well, let's look for nitride. When I look at the first list of nonmetals, I can see nitride is listed right there. So that's nitrogen. So I write N. Now I need to figure out the charges for these guys. I go to this sheet, I find calcium has a charge of +2, and I write that to the top right. I notice that nitrogen has a charge of -3, and I write that to the top right. Then I use crisscross rule, so this guy comes down here, that guy goes there. Now my formula is Ca3N2. I don't have more than one non-metal, so I don't have to worry about brackets, and 3 and 2 are already written in lowest terms. So my formula here is as you see it. In the second example, we're going to try and do calcium nitrate. So take a moment, pause the video, and see if you can do it. Alright, hopefully you've given it a good shot to figure out this example. Like the previous example, calcium is just Ca+2 there. Nitrate, let's find nitrate. Well, you notice that we did nitride in the first example, and that was nitrogen, but the name that's here is actually nitrate, so that's polyatomic, and its formula is NO3, and it has a charge of -1. We got that from the list. Again, let's use the crisscross rule, so put that guy there, that guy there, so now we write it Ca1, NO3, and the 2. Alright, the third step that we have to do is isolate the nonmetals. So here's our nonmetals, nitrogen and oxygen are nonmetals, in brackets if more than one type is present. Okay, so we do have that. We've got 2 of these guys, so let's put them in brackets. So here's what we do, and we can rewrite it without the 1 because we generally don't write 1s in formulas. And now our formula is Ca bracket NO3 bracket 2. That's calcium nitrate.